Hello. The creators of ChatGPT say it's the most advanced model yet. So, let's take a closer look at what GPT-5 offers and which features truly stand out compared to GPT-4. First, it's genuinely multimodal. Here's a quick example. I uploaded this messy desk photo and entered this prompt. Here's a photo of my desk. List the objects you see, suggest how to organize them better, and then write a polite email to my manager and create a 5-slide PowerPoint outline. It listed everything it saw. In the same chat, I asked it to write a polite email to my boss and create a 5-slide PowerPoint outline. It delivered all reasonably fast. Second, GPT-5 can remember more for longer. This means you can work on huge projects without it forgetting earlier parts of the conversation. You can give it text, images, and even code in the same request, and it will understand and respond to all of them at once. Third, GPT-5 is more accurate. It's less likely to make things up and better at citing real sources. Well, apparently it's not so good at choosing credible scientific sources because it also chose Wikipedia. Finally, it can maintain a chosen tone and style across longer projects. It means that you can stick to a specific tone or style across long projects, whether you want academic precision or casual storytelling. But even with these improvements, GPT-5 is not perfect. It can still misunderstand complex prompts, give outdated information, or miss subtle context. Think of it as a very capable assistant, but one that still needs fact-checking. So, compared to GPT-4, GPT-5 offers longer memory, true multimodal input, more accurate answers, and better control over tone. Whether those differences matter to you will depend on how you use AI, but they certainly make this version worth exploring. Try it out and let me know in the comments down below what you think about GPT-5.